Welcome to my apiary. Good morning. It's the 10th of July, 2022. It's a Sunday morning. It's rather nice out. However, they're calling for some showers, thunder showers today. I really wanted to get some supering done today, so we'll see how things go. It's very warm for this time of day in this area. I don't know how warm it is, but it's over 20 degrees, I think. I'm out a little bit earlier than I had anticipated because I got a whole bunch of virgin queens here I need to take care of. So I think I have 7 of them here. Some came out last night. I think there was 3 out before I went to bed. And the rest came out this morning. So nothing real exciting. Just gonna put them in the hives. It is kind of exciting, but there's not much to see. So I'm gonna put these back in my pocket for now. All but one. We'll start with one. I hope I have enough mating nukes. I'm just looking around here. I don't know that I have enough mating nukes here. Oh dear. What'll I do? Okay, do this and then we'll figure that out. I think I want to do a quick cell check on this one. I don't have smoker or anything. I don't even have a hive tool. This was made up as a nuke to accept a mated queen yesterday, but I kind of miscounted when I was making nukes. I needed 9 and I made 10. So a mating nuke it is. So this one is definitely stronger than the other mating nukes. So we need to check for cells. Now, there's definitely a lot of cells. As they'll do. There's somebody in that one. Sorry, girls. I'll speed up the process for you because I've got a fully developed virgin queen waiting right there. Okay, you get out of there. All right, we'll just squash that. For the new people, the white stuff is, well, some of it could be, larva juice, but a lot of that is royal jelly. Royal jelly that they feed the queen larva. I always like to shake these off because they can so easily hide those cells. But I don't want to shake it off and then introduce a virgin to a hive that's all in disarray. Oh, bang it around. Okay, I think that's good. They're kind of getting a little worked up now. I don't think they're angry worked up. They just, they start to fan. And let's see if this virgin queen has much effect on them. Come on, girl. Not sure. Sometimes they You know what? This one's not viable. I didn't notice that. See her wings? See her wings? Her wings are not developed. So she is not viable. I'll put her back in there and I'll just dispose of her. Unfortunately, that's Animal Kingdom. Because she needs those wings for mating. She wouldn't be much of a queen if she wasn't mated. This one, let's see. The wings look good on that one. They like to go up, so it's hard to get them to go down off your hand. Go on the comb. You should know what comb is. Go on the comb. It's just a game to go down. You can pick them up by the wings. Put her... No, I said go down. Well, she's down in there now. Her fate is sealed. Let's see what this one is like. Okay, they're okay. They, just a small contingent of bees here. It's warm weather. Everything's good. They don't need to incubate a cell. This queen is... she's right up in the candy. I don't know if I can... break her free and convince her to go live in this hive. Okay. Just my big fat fingers. I just don't like picking them up. Well, she went down in this kind of not where the bees were, so they'll find each other. So this is another R5. Right and sideways like that. That's a skill. Not a marketable skill, but the camera operator didn't push record on the last 2 introductions. Now this is FA21, that's a new mark, so it looks like a queen-right colony. So that means I maybe am short one. Oh, maybe more than one. Some of these nukes really depopulated. I don't know, perhaps when I moved them. Oh no, see, there's a little cluster, there's some brood. Okay, I'll introduce her here. They have brood to keep them going, sustain them. The weather's been warm. She doesn't have the biggest family to welcome her, but it is what it is at this point. Okay, you ready to go? She's a lively one. Get on the comb, turn over. There you go. Go say hi to your new family. Figure out what to do with the last one now. Right upside down now. I don't remember. This says FA21, so that's a that's a last year's queen. Well, that certainly appears queen right. It's not one of my little mating nukes. So I need one more nuke. Okay,
This one is actually not too bad. I just checked it before and it didn't appear to have many bees. But it actually seems okay. She's right at the door, so let her walk out. And down she goes. Okay.